Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to navigate within an Excel file when we are working in a single file but in two different sheets. This particular sheet contains the data set and then the next sheet contains manual analysis that we are arriving from the data set. We have to navigate to view and we have to select a new window. So once we select a new window, this one particular Excel file will split into two different files. When we select Control Tab, it is quite handy while we are working on two different sheets. Just we have to select Control Tab. We can work around between two different sheets within an Excel file. And there is one more option. We have to go to View. After selecting a new window, there is an option called Arrange All. Once we select the Arrange All, you could see the type of visual. It is tilt, horizontal, vertical or cascade. Now I am going to select horizontal. Once we select OK, it is very easy for us to navigate and analyze the data very easily. I hope this option is useful. Thank you so much.